Is your Jeep Wrangler's alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, especially in 2014-2018 models. The most likely culprits are the door hood switches, the RFHUB module, or a weak key fob battery. First, check your key fob battery. A weak CR2032 battery can cause the system to misinterpret signals. Next, inspect the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. These magnetic sensors can trigger false alarms if not working properly. If those seem okay, the RF hub may be the problem. This module manages remote locking and alarm functions and can glitch out due to software issues or voltage spikes. Newer Jeep models from 2022 onward have improved firmware, reducing these issues. Replace the key fob battery if it's weak. For door hood switches, clean any corrosion with electrical contact cleaner or replace the switch for about $15. If the RF hub is the problem, Jeep has technical service bulletins for 2014-2018 models that involve reprogramming the module at dealerships. Explore aftermarket RF hub modules or custom alarm systems from brands like Viper or CompuStar. Use a multimeter to check voltage and an OBD2 scanner for error codes like P677. Humidity can worsen switch corrosion, so waterproofing improvements can help prevent future issues.